Hello. It seems that there's been a little bit of difficulty for some of you creating your Google site for your student portfolio. So I'm going to walk through kind of how to get started on that. Now, since this was posted a while ago, it's kind of toward the bottom of the feed. So we're just going to go straight to classwork and click on intro because that's when it was posted, the intro to the class. And it's this one, student portfolio creation. Need to go to is this one, Mrs. Carroll's portfolio files. It's going to open up in a new tab. But in the directions, it says that you're going to right click on the student portfolio template. We'll do that now. It'll open up this menu. It tells you to go down to make a copy. Click that. It's going to take a few minutes probably for it to create this copy. It will create the copy for you in your drive, and then you are going to start renaming and editing everything that's in it to make it your own. Okay, so now we have created a copy of the template. Since I own this folder, it's placed this copy in my portfolio file. For you, it's going to put this in your drive. So now when you open this, you're going to be able to start editing. It's going to be your name's portfolio. Change this to your name. Change this to your name. And then you can delete this photo. And then you can pick your own image to insert. You can go through all of these and edit whatever text. For science, this is going to be a project that we upload first. You can put in the name of the project. It's going to be our endangered species project. Describe it, and then you'll start adding files down here. Okay, you need to be sure and share it. You're going to click on the share, and you're going to add me since I'm your teacher. You can give me editing rights or just say I can view the published. That's totally fine. Then you'll click send. And that's how we're going to get it started. Hopefully this helps. If you have questions, stop by and ask.